A goat.
Goat. Goat.
A goat in a
Oat. Coat.
oat.
Oat.
Coat.
Coat.
A
A goat in a coat.
Hello and welcome back to Miss Sam's phonics class. We are learning digraphs and we are at set 1 digraphs. And in today's class, we will learn digraph O.
UptoSix Phonics PLUS. O.
Letter O and A together make a long vowel sound, that is O.
O.
As in oak, as in goat, as in boat, as in road. See, we can see so many O words on this picture.
O.
O as in unload. O. Unload. Unload. Digraphs are color coded so that children can easily identify them.
O as in loaf. O. Loaf.
O as in loaf.
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 O as in oats. Oat. Oats. Oat.
Oats.
Road.
Road.
O as in full. O. Full.
O as in fall.
O.
Fall.
O as in float. Full. Oat. Float. Full. Oat.
Float. Full is a consonant blend. In full, we can hear sound f and clearly.
Full.
Oat. Whereas digraphs are 2 letters and a new sound. You can download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app for interactive learning. There are many words for reading and spelling practice in the app. Coal.
O as in roast.
Roast. Roast. O as in goat. Goat. Goat.
Goat. As in cloak. Cloak. Cloak.
Cloak. Cloak. K is a consonant blend. So you can find more O words. Take a notebook and a pencil and take any storybook or a newspaper. I'll look for more O digraph words and make a list of them. And don't forget to share the list with me. You'll ask someone to upload the list to the community. Will you do that? Yes. Good job. Let's read. An. An. An.
Oak. Oak.
An oak.
Tree. Tree.
An oak tree by the
road.
Road. We are using UptoSix Phonics Plus App.
An oak tree by the road.
An oak tree by the road. A goat.
Goat. Goat.
Each and every word in the app is decodable. A goat in a
oat. Coat.
Oat.
Oat.
Coat.
Coat. A goat in a coat.
Oh my god, the goat is having a coat. a and a
T.
odd.
Odd.
Toad.
Toad.
In
In.
a
Cloak.
cloak. Oh my God, a toad in a cloak. What are they doing? Funny it is, right?
And a toad in a cloak.
And you know what you can do? You will practice writing these sentences on your own. A frog.
Frog. Frog.
A frog.
Float. Afloat.
A frog afloat.
Croaks.
Croaks. Cr is a consonant blend.
A frog afloat croaks.
A boat.
Boat. Boat.
A boat.
Float. Floats.
A boat floats.
Board.
Board the boat and cross the
Out.
You
Moat.
can download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app and practice reading. Pal, fold, weights. A diagram we have learned earlier, remember? With oats. Was it fun? Yes. So, you have two works to do. First, look for more O digraph words. That is your homework, and read and write these sentences. Okay? Keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.